Wow, it literally counted. Okay, I'm back. Okay, there we go. Oh wow, it started my video. Started my video over again. Wow. Bro. What? Wait, what'd you say? Wait. You want to play? You want to play Wizard Tycoon? Is that it? Why? I want to record my first. Okay, I'll record then. We'll play Wizard Tycoon. Bro. I'll play Clone Tycoon. That's a fighting game. Or it can be. Yep. I've logged into my Google thing and everything, yeah. Why? I can believe that. What do you mean? I'm already getting into a game, but yeah, I'll stop this game. No, it's just the McDonald's thing. I like Obby. Free skip 50 points. Okay, wait. Wait, what? What do you want me to do? No, seriously, what do you want to do? I mean, we are playing. We are something that's decent, actually. No offense, but something that's decent. Popular, top rated, featured. We could play Bloxburg, but I don't have it, so. Yeah, I know you do. Because I don't play this game enough to. Pizza Sim Morphs. Wait. You want to play Theme Park? Or not? Why? Where? I hate that we can't hear each other. Well, we can hear each other. But like, pro, seriously, I don't see one. Smacker? Really? Could have told me that. Is it like no spaces? Wait, top earning. Okay, I'll look in top earning then. Wherever that is. Oh, there it is. I don't see it. I don't. Skyblock. I see Skyblock fight. I put Skyblock 2. This is the one with 127 people playing it. You know, I'm just gonna join off of you. That's probably what I should have done from the beginning. What do you mean? Oh, that's what you mean. Oh, great. I've already been playing for, or I've already been doing this for 4 minutes, so which means I have like 11 minutes left. Great. What's the tutorial? Okay, requested game is full. Great. Can we just play something like Theme Park? Let's just play Theme Park. That's the only game that we're probably gonna get in. Trust me, I do bad at it anyway, so. Maybe you could actually give me some ideas too, because I seriously I can't do anything. I seriously can't do anything. Yeah, I know that. Both. Literally everything is the YouTubers. Like the YouTubers park, everything. It's loading the park. I literally have. I'm surprised I'm even surprised I have 44 guests. That's how surprised I am. Testing, 1, 2, 3. By the way, I'm still recording, just so you know. Well, I'm just gonna be on a constant slide right now. There we go. Wait, bro, come here. I don't know where I am. I'm on like the edge of the map. Like the very edge of the map. I only have a 1.5 star rating. That's how bad I'm doing. I don't know where you are. I'm on the edge of the map, quite literally. Like I'm on the very edge. Good thing there's bacon. Kinda, not really. Wait, did we just pass each other? Hi, bro. How you doing? Yeah, you got a problem with it? Yeah, actually. Yeah, I don't think I want to. I think I'd be disappointed. I think I'd be the most disappointed with myself. See, there's so many people, but like... Yeah, you're gonna show off all your crap, I know. See, this is the one game my sister can't join. Which I'm perfectly fine with. What do you mean that's PC? Good. I mean, that park actually looks awesome. That's completely huge. OMG Park? Look at OMG Park, bro. Trust me, I only have 1.5, just as much. Oh, yeah, I'm kind of disappointed with myself. Oh. Wait, then how do you... Wait, how do you do this? I want to try and do a new one. Yeah, basically. Oh, settings. Unload. Start new. Welcome to theme part 2. Let's get you started with your first part. Go to the right. Oh god. I'm gonna have to go all the way back to my thing just to like do this. Okay, Nah. I feel like going down this road anyway. Why do they even let guests, like, come here? Well, considering that I just... cannot build this item during the tutorial. Wait, so... Yeah, I think I'm gonna base mine like yours. No, it won't be exactly like yours. Here, come help me then. Because I want you to. I've literally been recording for 12 minutes. Not really. Popcorn, get your popcorn. And your burgers. And your refreshing... whatever those are. The slushies. Okay, literally mine is gonna be almost like yours. You know, based off of food. But you know. Been there before. Oh, I've got. Wait, how do I have 7,000 cash? What, you deleted your ride? That's sad. Where's the bathroom? Again, I can't remember. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it should be in stalls, actually. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, it's in other stalls. Like, when you go to press other stalls. Wait, then where's the trash cans? I can't remember that either. Oh, I don't know. Just so nobody actually throws away stuff in the floor. Okay, where did I just find those things?